China, the fastest growing economy in the world, is where miracles happen every day. Behind the miracles are the accumulation of civilization maintained for thousands of years, and the dreams of the Chinese nation's efforts and power. To re-emerge as a powerful and respectful country in the world, such belief challenges and encourages outstanding leaders in all the fields of this nation, and they are determined to reconstruct the ancestors' wisdom in their own ways. CDC was established in May 2015. It is affiliated to CCCC, China Communications Construction Company Limited, one of the world's top 500 enterprises. At present, CDC has 6 subsidiaries, including Tianjin Dredging Company Limited, Shanghai Dredging Company Limited, Guangzhou Dredging Company Limited, Hong Kong Maritime Construction Company Limited, CCCC Marine Construction and Development Company Limited, and CCCC Ecological Environmental Protection Investment Company Limited. It also has 5 overseas regional centers worldwide, including Southeast Asia, Africa, the Middle East, America, and Europe, Russia, and 5 worldwide ship repair and maintenance bases. CDC focuses on providing the one-stop service to the clients around the world, which is related to the dredging business, land reclamation business, pre- and post-dredging services, and environmental protection and maritime engineering services. Meanwhile, CDC has strong capability for resource integration of the whole industrial chain. It deeply integrates the resource of its parental company, CCCC, in terms of the transportation infrastructure investment, construction and operation, equipment manufacturing, real estate and urban comprehensive development, and other aspects to provide clients with a series of solutions and services such as investment and financing, consulting planning, design and construction, and management operations. As the world's largest service provider of dredging and land reclamation, the revenues for the 2 business fields of CDC occupies nearly 1/4 of the total income in the world market, and it shows the trend to augment year by year. As the pioneer of the dredging industry in China, CDC has strong capabilities in both software and hardware, and it shows the excellent performance around the world. As the leading enterprise of the dredging industry around the world, CDC has the largest and most advanced dredging fleet, 194 dredgers and other vessels. Specifically, there are 37 trailing suction hopper dredgers, with a total hopper capacity of 330,791 cubic meters, including Junyang 1, the world-leading and the largest trailing suction hopper dredger in China, with a hopper capacity of 21,028 cubic meters, length overall of 167.5 meters, maximum dredging depth of 90 meters, maximum pumping distance of 4 kilometers. '59 cutter suction dredgers with a total installed power of 567,335 kilowatts. Tianjin Hao, the largest self-propelled cutter suction dredger in terms of its installed power in Asia, with a nominal productivity of 4,500 cubic meters per hour, total installed power of 20,020 kilowatts, cutter power of 4,200 kilowatts, and able to evacuate rock with UCS of 40 megapascals. Tiankunhao is one being built with total installed power of 25,842 kilowatts and cutter power of 5,000 kilowatts, and it's expected to be put into operation this year. Bucket dredgers. Dongxiang is the largest grab dredger in the world in terms of its bucket capacity of 200 cubic meters and maximum sump of 40 meters. 87 other engineering and auxiliary vessels. And all types of advanced auxiliary vessels such as semi-submersible barge, geotextiles laying vessel, DCM vessel, tugboats. With all types of engineering and auxiliary vessels, CDC can internationally undertake the projects for port and navigation channel, land reclamation, deep sea mining, and coast protection and restoration. CDC ranks #1 around the world in terms of the total hopper capacity of the trailing suction hopper dredgers and the total installed power of the cutter suction dredgers. With a dredging fleet of the full range and superior performance, CDC is equipped with strong competitiveness and capability to undertake important, large, and complicated projects. In addition to the powerful dredging fleet, CDC competitiveness stems from the professional team and top-ranking technological research and development capability. CDC has more than 13,000 employees around the world, among which there are over 200 excellent overseas business talents. Over 500 first-tier engineers with an average industry experience of 15 years. Over 600 experts with expertise of dredging, land reclamation, and other related techniques. And over 5,500 expert seamen who can provide the international clients with the whole industrial chain one-stop service. CDC has undertaken the Tianjin Port Project, which is considered as the world's largest artificial port. After decades' great efforts, the magnificent work was completed with a deep compound channel with length of 44 kilometers, breadth of 780 meters, and depth of 21 meters. The work volume is over 1.1 billion cubic meters, and reclamation area is nearly 100 square kilometers. By the same time, CDC has successively undertaken hundreds of major dredging projects in both domestic and overseas markets. CDC has also participated in undertaking Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, Zhuhai-Macau Port Artificial Island Reclamation Project, Shanghai-Hengsha East Beach Land Reclamation Project, Phase 1 to 8, Xiamen-Xiang'an New Airport Land Reclamation Project, and successfully completed dozens of significant reclamation projects in Middle East, Southeast Asia, and other regions. Relying on the powerful strengths of equipment, technology, and talents, CDC is able to provide customers with high-quality services, including dredging and land reclamation, related surveying and engineering, waterworks, soil improvement, and other pre- and post-dredging services. Meanwhile, it actively extended to the fields of environmental protection and marine construction, has successively constructed Hangzhou Shihu Lake Polluted Water Improvement Project, Wuxi Taihu Lake Water Quality Improvement Project, and other environmental dredging and sled treatment projects. CDC positively provides clients with full services covering oil and gas operations, international shipping and logistics, sea resource exploitation, desalination, shipbuilding, and other sectors. Meanwhile, CDC positively promotes the infrastructure investment, urban comprehensive development, construction of Sponge City, and increases the PPP projects with a construction unit in mutual benefits. At present, the footprint of CDC is all over the world and has remarkably accomplished the contract project and implemented profit and developed with clients altogether. We seek for international cooperation with an attitude of mutual benefits. We strengthen the protection to the ecological environment and the water environment in practical terms. We care for the safety and health management of the staff at all times. And we insist in common development with the project areas. The legend and heroic of the ancestors inspires the CDC people. And the challenges we are faced with today will not be reduced. CDC will, as always, take the good vision of making the world more connected, making cities more livable, and making life better, while dedicating itself to international clients with convenient, effective, and high-quality services.